Good morning, students. Today we will study addition with carrying. Means today we will study how to add the decimal numbers having carries. So first there are some rules how to add. It is very simple as we are adding simple numbers means whole numbers as we are adding same type of carry we will use here, same procedure. Okay, only we have to write the decimals, we have to take care of the decimals. So let's see the steps. The first step, write the numerals under each other so that one are under ones. Then decimal point, the tenth, the hundredth will be under one another. Under one another means you have to write in the form of column wise. Okay, so all the given numbers should be in the column wise means they should be in this order means okay means they should be just means under one means here you can see this is at 7. You can see in the example in this number the seventh is at which position. You can see 7 is at the 10th 100th position, so let another numbers 100th positions number will be under the same number. Okay, likewise 10th positions number will be under the same number. Similarly once positions number will be under the same one's position under. Okay, so likewise you have to write means just below of that number according to their place value, according to that place. Okay, so likewise you have to write, this is the step 1. Second step, add the 100th. Okay, add 100th means given example there is last digit. You can see means right extreme side. You can see right extreme side is the 7th means it is at the which place, it is at the 100th place. So first of all we start from there. So first we add this 100th place values. So 9 plus 7 we will add, so it will be 16. So this one will be carried. Okay, and this will be given to the next means just previous values, it will be given to the 10th place values. Okay, and that will be added as a, that will be carry as a 1, and now it will be added to the 10th place value numbers given values, and then after the if there will be again carry, it will be forward to the previous one. Okay, likewise we have to follow the step. You can see here is again in the 10th place there is a, at the 10th place there is a carry, so this carry is forwarded to the ones place. Okay, but this decimal you have to see, this decimal you have to write just below of that. This decimal is there, so that decimal you have to follow that. Just below of the decimal you have to write the decimal. Okay, only you have to concern about, you have to take care about the decimal. Okay, there will be no any changes the place of the decimal. See the decimal, and according to that you have to write like in the column wise, all the values in the vertical form you have to write. Okay, now after adding you can see the fourth step, add ones and write the last values. Okay, so likewise it will be if another more like a tens, 100 place values there, numbers are there, so you can forward the carries and you can proceed the same way as we already you know how to add the carry numbers. Okay, means you know the addition of the carry, having the carry. Okay, now let's solve. Today we will solve the exercise 9e. Okay, let's see the first question. 3.8 and plus 1.2. So let's solve this question. First number 1 is that 3.8. Okay, and it will be added to 1.2. So what is the process? Same process we have to write from the right extreme. Right extreme means from here you have to start, and it is at the 10th place. So this 10th place values, this all the 10th place value of the both number, it will be added. So 8 plus 2, of course 10. So here will be the carry, so carry will be forwarded to the just previous values, so this will be given to the ones place. Okay, now this first we write this point, so this point, and here is the also point, so same here I copy the point. Now this ones place we will add, so 3 plus 1 4. So this is 3 plus 1 4, and this carry is 5, so right here 5, not 4, here will be 5. Okay, so your answer is 5.0. Okay, similarly question number 4 you can see. Question number 4 is 2.17. Okay, next 3.38, and you have to add it. So how you will add? Same process we will do. Okay, so first we start from the right extreme. Right extreme means from here we will start, means it is the 100th place. So this 100th place we will add, so 8 plus 7, this 2 we will add first. 8 plus 7, so it will be 15, so write 5, carry 1. 15 means carry 1, this 1 will be forwarded to here. Okay, now 3 plus 1 4, and 1 carry is there 5, so right here 5. Now next point we will write the copy, this 2 point. Now this ones place we will add 3 plus 2 5, and there is no any carry, so 5 5 5 5. Okay, now next see the next question. Okay, next we will solve question number here 7. Okay, now question number 7 we will do. Let's solve the question number 7. So number 7 is 75.68. Okay, now next there is 86.87. Okay, and we have to add it. Okay, so process, same process, we start from the right extreme. Right extreme means from the last, this from here 100th place, if it is 1000, so from there we will start, means right extreme right we will start. So 8 plus 7, so it will be 8 plus 7, so it will be 15, so right here 5, carry will be here, carry will come here 1. 6 plus 8, it will be 14, and plus 1 carry 15 again. So again now first you write the point, and now this carry will come to here. Okay, just previous values, means previous place values, means it will be shift to the left. So now it comes to the ones place. Now 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 11, plus 1 carries, so 12, carry 1 again, so right here carry. 8 plus 7 15, plus 1 16, so your answer is 162.55. got it? Okay, some more questions. Okay, number 12, 183.19. Okay, next is 25.35. Okay, now next is 4.75. now we have to add it. So very important, again I just remind you, you have to write these all the same place values. Okay, just below of that. Okay, means 10th or 100th or 1000th or ones or tens, their place values, the numbers, they should must write just below of that. Okay, similarly you can see ones place there is written just below of that. Okay, now here is the tens, so here is tens, but here is no any tens, so no any values, or you can write 0 here. Here is 100, here is no any 100, so just leave it blank, or you can place the 0. Similarly here no any 100 value, so either you can keep it blank or you just put the 0. Okay, but you have to always you have to remember, always you have to keep in your mind, it's a place values. Okay, the same place value should be keep just below of that. Okay, just under of that you have to write, means you have to write in the column wise, and that column should be of the same place value, there should not be any changes. Now 9 plus 5 plus 5, so it will be 19, so write 9, carry is 1. Now 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 1 12, now carry is forwarded to here, so carry is here. And now 3 plus 5 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, carry again 1. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, so here was carry, so 11 carry again 1, so 1 1 2, so your answer is 213.29. got it? Okay, now some more question. Okay, this 15 number I will show. So here 15, so how you will solve it. So first you can see here I will do, here all the values is written just below of that, one under of another. See 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0, so because we know we have to start from the right extreme, so we will add it. So it will be 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5, it will be 23, so right here 3. Now carry will be here 2. Okay, now 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 9, so it will be 21, plus 2, it will be 23. Okay, now 23 is right 3, and 2 will be come to here, this carry. And now before proceeding that, we have to put the point, because point is there. Now next, 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2, so it will be 22, and plus this carries 2, so it will be 24, right? 4 now carries 2. Now 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8, so here will be 14 plus 2. Okay, so that will be sorry, here 16. Okay, so your answer is 164.33. Got it? So likewise, you have to solve this exercise 9e. The remaining questions you have to solve. Your homework is that. Okay.